Vande Matram. In this video about SEO, we will be learning about internal linking as well as an external linking. If we talk about on page, then the internal linking and the external linking plays a very important role. So what is an internal linking? Generally speaking, an internal linking is a link given within any content which redirects you when you click on it to the content of the same website, or the link redirects you to another page but of the same website. Okay? And now external linking is when we provide link on any of our content, website or page, and when any user who has been surfing on our page clicks on it, it redirects user to different website. It's called external linking. Now look, what are the benefits of an internal linking? Let me show you an example first. You can see the example on the screen. I have opened a general blog. It is called as Men's Health. It is a very famous blog website. There's an example in this that you can see. As you see on screen, there's a blog on testosterone here. And a proper blog on the topic has been written and made here. Now let's say that I click on the word prostate cancer. And as you can see on the screen here, the internal links are well highlighted on the page, right? The user can see and understand that a link has been given here and it is highlighted. And as you see, the link is appearing when I am moving the cursor, and as soon as I click, look, I have been redirected to another page or blog on the Men's Health website. I found content related to prostate cancer there, meaning the content should be relevant. The blog should have relevant content and the link should also be relevant. So in that way, if the users want to read about the related topics in a detailed manner, then they are redirected to that page. What's the benefit of internal linking? First is users are surfing our website and we are giving them the opportunity to explore the content of other pages on our website. If the content is relevant and related to the previous topic, the user will be interested and will go to that page. He'll read the blog. The user will spend more time on our website, and if he spends more time on our website, he will also surf more of our pages and view them. And what does this do? This tells the search engine on SEO that this website is good. People are spending more time on this and it has quality content. So the authority gets better and our keywords as well as our pages rank. Alright. So this has a lot of benefits. And our bounce rate also decreases, which is also a very big factor for SEO. What is an external link? Tell me what is an external link. For example, this is a blog. Now if we scroll down on this same blog, and when we scroll down on same blog, you can see here on the website we are shown JD Golon. This is a link to any third-party website, okay? So when I'll click on this, I will be redirected. And this is not the Men's Health website. This is doctors.rush.edu. Here, we are redirected to a high authority website. Now what's the benefit of an external link? We can't just give a link to any website and direct users to any link. First of all, whatever topic the user is reading about on your website or page. So the external links should also be relevant to that same content that the user is reading about. And the external link should be providing a solution, a product or a service related to that topic. Or you're providing better information from that external linking. So how does this external linking benefit you? Faith of the users will increase on your website. The user will surf on other better websites through your website. And the user will get benefited and will get the solution to the topic that the user was looking for, right? Now you can see these kinds of external links on many different websites. Now let's say that I write a blog on my website where I list the best 5 AI tools. And I'm providing complete information about these AI tools, but I'm putting an external link on one AI tool. Let's say that any user clicks on the Leonardo AI image tool link, they will be taken to the Leonardo website. If they click on video generator, then they'll move to another site. So the user was benefited by blog, but then I redirected the user to high authority and popular websites to broaden users' knowledge regarding the topic. The user is also benefited. In this way, internal linking and external linking are given on the blogs or on the website pages, but make sure that the links should be relevant to the content. It should be helpful for users. This will increase watch time. It will also increase the website's authority and your ranking will get better in search engines. And at the same time, an external linking also works as a backlink. So students, in this way, you should definitely use an internal linking as well as an external linking in your website content, okay? Which can help you in ranking your website as quickly as possible. And this is also extremely important factor in the on-page SEO. I hope you all have understood it clearly. Jai Hind.